Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Music. Today, we're going to discuss about musical notes and rests. In this lesson, you will learn and understand the kinds of notes and rests, their symbols, and time value. Are you ready? Musical signs and symbols are being used in musical pieces since the 13th century. These marks and symbols describe elements of music. They help us read and understand music. Music is composed of different notes and rests, which when combined create a melody. Recognizing notes and rests lets you read, understand, and appreciate music. Note and rests. What's the difference between note and rests? A note is a musical symbol for sound. It is used to indicate the duration and pitch of a tone by its shape and position on the staff. On the other hand, a rest is a musical symbol for silence. It signals when to pause and not to play. Each note and rest represents a specific length or duration called time value. This is the number of beats. Notes have parts. These are the parts of a note. Note head. The oval-shaped part of the note, it can either be blank or white or black or filled. Open note head means blank or white. Closed note head means black or filled in. Stem. The stick or the straight line attached to the note head. Flag or hook. A slanting line attached to the stem. Let's study the kinds of notes. Let's divide this table into three columns. The first column is for the name of the note. The second column is for the symbol of the note. And the third column is for the time value. Whole note, the longest note. This is the symbol for whole note. An open note head with 4 beats. Half note, one half the value of a whole note. This is the symbol for half note. An open note head with a stem with 2 beats. Quarter note. 1/4 the value of a whole note. This is the symbol for quarter note. A closed note head with a stem with 1 beat. Eighth note. 1/8 the value of a whole note. This is the symbol for eighth note. A closed note head with a stem and a flag with 1/2 beat. 16th note. 1/16 the value of a whole note. This is the symbol for 16th note. A closed note head with a stem and 2 flags with 1/4 beat. When 2/8 and 16 notes are joined together, they look like this. To further understand this, let's study the diagram. For the whole note with 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the half note with 2 beats, 1, 2, 1, 2. For the quarter note with 1 beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the eighth note with half a beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. In this diagram, a whole note is worth 4 quarter notes. A half note is worth 2 quarter notes, or 4 eighth notes. Rest. Let's now study the kinds of rest. So we're going to divide again this table into 3 columns. For the first column, the name of the rest. Second column, the symbol for the rest. And the third column is the time value. Whole rest, the longest rest. This is the symbol for the whole rest. Hangs from a line with 4 beats. Half rest, one half the value of a whole rest. This is the symbol for half rest. Sits on a line with 2 beats. Quarter rest, one quarter the value of a whole rest. This is the symbol for the quarter rest. Standing letter M with 1 beat. 8 rests, 1/8 the value of a whole rest. This is the symbol for the 8 rests. Looks like a number 7 with 1/2 beat. 16th rests, 1/16 the value of a whole rest. This is the symbol for the 16th rest. Looks like 2 number 7 with 1/4 beat. Once again, these are the kinds of notes and rests. Whole note, whole rest with 4 beats. Half note, half rest with 2 beats. Quarter note, quarter rest with 1 beat. Eighth note, eighth rest with 1/2 beat. 16th note, 16th rest with 1/4 beat. Identify the names of the following notes and rests. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. 1. Eighth note. 2. Whole note. 3. Quarter rests. 4. Quarter note. 5. Half rest. 6. 16th note. 7. Eighth rests. 8. Whole rest. 9. Half note. And 10. 16th rest. Draw the notes and rests being asked. You may also draw your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 16th note. 2, whole note. 3, half rest. 4, quarter note. 5, quarter rest. 6, eighth note. 7, whole rest. 8, eighth rest. 9, 16th rest. And 10, half note. Complete the table of notes and rests with their time value. You may also write your answer in your notebook. Let's check your answers. Whole note, whole rest, 4 beats. half note, half rest, 2 beats, quarter note, quarter rest, 1 beat, eighth note, 8 rests, 1 half beat, 16th note, 16th rests, 1/4 beat. Please watch for the second part of this video lesson for more drills and activities. See you!
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.